Hi everyone, I know that talking about contraception can feel personal and sometimes overwhelming, but it's such as an important part of taking control of our health and planning for the future we want. Today I want to share my experience supporting my partner and why we chose the IUD or intrauterine device as our contraceptive method because family planning is a decision we make together. IUDs are small T-shaped devices that a healthcare provider insert into the uterus. There are two main types, the hormonal IUDs, which release a small amount of progesterone to prevent pregnancy, and the copper IUDs, which works by creating an environment that stops sperm from reaching an egg. What we love most about the IUD is how convenient it is once inserted by her doctor. It can protect against pregnancy for 3 to 10 years. Depending on the type, it's over 99% effective, which is more reliable than many other methods like pills or condoms. And the best part of us, she doesn't have to think about it every day or remember to take something on a schedule, which takes a lot of stress of both of us. But here's what I want to stress, while the IUDs has been amazing for our relationship, it's not the right fit for everyone. Some people may experience side effects like cramping after insertion, changes in their menstrual cycle, or in rare cases, complication factors like medical history, lifestyle, and personal goals all play a role in choosing the best contraceptive method, and every person's body is different. Contraception is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and as partners we have a responsibility to be informed and supportive. If you or your partner are curious about IUDs or any other contraceptive option, please talk to a trusted healthcare provider. They can help you understand the risks, benefits, and alternatives that are right for your unique situation. Making an informed decision with professional guidance is key to protecting health and building the life you want together. Thank you for listening, and remember, prioritizing reproductive health is a powerful step for both individuals and couples.